Hey guys and girls, Tuesday the 15th of December 2020, 3:12. Gina and I and Mimo are on our way to the vets. She's going to get spayed. So she can't have babies because she's just about to go into season, and the last thing we want is for her to get pregnant and have millions of little puppies. So it's quite cold today. According to the car, it says it's 10 degrees. Which for us is cold, because you imagine in summer it was like 3.5 times warmer than that. So little Mimo, you're about to have an operation. You have absolutely no idea what's just about to happen. She's booked in at 4, and then I think she stays until what time? 7.
Yeah.
All right, so we're here at the vets. Only one of us is allowed to go in, so I'm just going to hang in the car. Yeah. Shame, little Mimo has no idea what's about to happen to her. See you in a bit.
It's 4:30, not 4.
It's 4:30. Oh no. Okay. So yeah, we were a bit early. So we're taking Mimo for a little walk around in Castelo Branco. So we got a little bit of time to burn, and just thought we'd have a walk around and see what's going on. Unfortunately, this road that we're on, there's a lot of construction going on, so we can't really see anything. There's a couple of houses on the side, as you can see, but also big fences and stuff, so you can't really see what's happening. Mimo seems quite comfortable going for walks, considering that she's never really been on a walk before. You know, she's just kind of on our farm, no lead, doing her thing, so it's quite cool to see her being a dog on a lead. She looks like she's enjoying it. Mimo's doing some business. She's like, not on film. It's a private moment. So a lot of the roundabouts in Portugal always have lots of different things on the go. Like this one's got some kind of water feature, and they've got like Christmas presents out. It's pretty cool. Look, they're planting a whole bunch of sort of festive coloured plants. I really like how they do their roundabouts. So this is the vet that we use, Veterinary in Castelo Branco, and they're really good. They speak really good English and really friendly, lovely people. And Gina seems to be going in the wrong entrance.
No.
It's this entrance.
The man's going in.
Ah. Right, Mimosa. Good luck. So Mimo is now in the vets. Apparently she weighs 19 kilograms already. She's only like 7 months old, or no? Yeah, I don't even know. So 19 kilos, she's huge. So the time now is 4:45, and we've got just over 2 hours to burn until we have to pick her up. Right, it's 10 to 7. We're going to go Gina's going to go and pick up Mimo, because only one of us can get in. The vet's just down over there, so yeah. Good luck, spleens.
It's fun, get out.
Ah, here's Mimo. Hi. Gina, do you want to take this and I can carry her, or?
Yeah.
Hello.
You
Hi.
want to pick her?
Yes. Shame, is she good?
Yeah, she's
Okay.
awaking, okay?
Okay.
It's good.
I think so.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Mimosa.
Kind of, yeah.
Oh my God.
I need to go and pay. Hope they haven't looked themselves. She needs to be warm.
Yes. Okay. There you go, Mimo. So I don't know how well you can see, but I'm just sitting in the back of the car here with Mimo. I don't think you're going to be able to see her, but she's yeah, she's completely out of it. I think in England, when they do these types of operations, they allow the pets to wake up first, and when you come and collect them, they're awake. But she's still very much under anaesthetic. So little Mimo is, she's yeah, she needs to come inside now. Mimo,
Come on, Mimo.
do you not have a clue what's going on?
Come on, Mimosa.
Aww. Hello, my girl. Are you feeling a bit spaced out? So we're getting some nice blankets and a fire going for Mimo,
Come on, Mimosa.
because she's in the clouds. Hello.
Mimosa. Come on, Mimo. Come on. Come on. I've just fed you.
She didn't like her dinner. She wants more. She wants something different.
Mimosa. There you go. Good girl. There you go. There you go. You're a good girl. Oh, is that nice and warm in there now? You need to make sure your dish doesn't radiate the warmth into your head.
Mimo. Hello. Anybody in there?
You're a sad puppy. Oh, sad puppy. Yo.
Dog. Dog, don't be jealous. Dog's jealous because you're giving all the love to Mimo.
I don't think he's jealous. I think he's worried about her, and he doesn't know. He doesn't know how to. He's like, I'm gonna hide so I can't see her.
Good morning. It is a watch out of focus, but if you believe me, it's Wednesday the 16th of December 2020, 9:54, and we are now receiving all satellite channels loud and clear. Mimo's wearing her little satellite dish, and she's looking a lot better than she was last night. She was quite sorry for herself. Hello, Mimo. You're a good girl. Are you liking your radar dish? Is it giving you supersonic hearing? Right, well, it's 11:21. So you probably saw in our last video we got some quite questionable wood delivered. It was like really damp, and the pieces were huge. So I don't have a chainsaw, but my friends Nick and Andrea, they have come round. It's actually quite decent wood on the inside. It looks like oak. And it's not as wet as I thought. So you can see Mimo is feeling a lot perkier. She's learning how to walk around with this cone on. She keeps banging into things still. But yeah, she's definitely doing a lot better. Good girl. Oh, watch out. Thank you, Dick. That's awesome.
No problem.
Yeah, that's an awesome chainsaw, huh? Nice.
Yeah, I've had it for years now.
Yeah. You seem very, very comfortable with it. Those things terrify me.
Yeah, they are. Well, it's the most dangerous handheld tool.
Really?
ever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, cool, man. Okay. Well, well, like in a little bit, I'll go and stack it and put like a tarp or something over it, and hopefully it'll dry out. And yeah, it's a lot better than I thought. I thought it was like,
It's all well seasoned stuff. It's just it's just got wet with the rain.
yeah, cool.
It'll burn good.
Right. Well, thank you very much.
No problem.
Okay, yeah. So let's get some chicken feed.
Open the box out.
It is open.
All right.
Mimosa.
This one really didn't want to come. It's like, no, I don't want to live with them. That's all of the new ones in here. That black one goes in, then we're all good, because these are all the older ones. Cool. So we've got all the ones in here that we need. And then there's that one as well. So
Let's see if we can grab those.
Those the black one?
Yeah.
yeah, okay.
Or that black one?
He's probably going to be easier to catch.
Yeah.
They're quite strong, eh? Okay. And then which one? The grey one?
Yeah. Whatever.
The grey one's quite a good looking one.
There you go.
So just block Nando's way because he tries to come
Yeah.
through.
Mind your head.
Don't worry, Hens, you're going to a good home. There you go. Nice. I think they're all laying eggs now, but some of them might not be laying as
Brilliant.
Wow.
There.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that's a nice colour spread as well.
Bye bye, chickies. So how many have we got now? I need to make count them.
I don't know. Well, how many have you guys got? 5? 7?
We've got five plus 10.
5? Oh yes, yeah.
So that's good. That gives him a nice number now.
Yeah.
Bye, chickies. How many have you got in there? 4
5.
or 5. So I need to take 5 on here. So 19.
Cool.
I just
Well,
need
we
to
still
know
have
for
too
when I
many.
count them for bedtime.
Yes.
Okay. Well,
Right.
thank you ever so much for
Yep,
that.
thank
That was
you.
See you later.
Yeah, thanks for coming round, guys.
That's all right. Cheers.
Yeah, good luck with the chickens.
And yeah, thank you very much, and thank you for the computer work as well. That was brilliant.
Oh, cool. Yeah. And we'll see you soon. Yeah.
Yes.
Bye. Mimo and Dog are getting used to the sheep. They sort of get quite interested in them at first, but then they just let them do their thing. Mimo's doing some grass grazing of her own. She's being a sheep. It's Friday the 18th and it's 1:49. We have got some baby chicks. I don't know if you can see. At the moment we have 2 baby chicks. They're just underneath this little heating plate because it's quite cold. And we have a few more eggs. These eggs have been sitting in an incubator and we have absolutely no idea what time they were laid. So we don't know how long they're going to take. But obviously 2 of them have hatched already. And they do look viable. We have checked them with a torch. So there's definitely stuff going on inside, so now we just have to wait. So this is over in our chicken house, and Mama Hen has hatched a couple of eggs. We don't know how many she's hatched so far, but you can hear them peeping in the background. Or you might not. They seem to have gone quiet. But so we've put some food down for them. And yeah, what we need to do is we need to move them out of this area because she's very high up and her chicks won't be able to get to the ground from here. So we need to basically lift this entire box up and stick it on the ground. She's very vigilant. You know, as soon as you try and put your hand near her, she'll start pecking you, and she's a very fierce mother. So hopefully we don't cause too much problems when we pick this thing up. What's happening, Gina?
I'm repiling the wood. I feel like I've moved this wood about 10 times. But it's been cut in half now, and it's dry-ish.
Dry-ish, yeah.
Drier.
Yeah. And then yesterday, I didn't have my mic plugged in properly, and we had some other friends who came around, Joseph and Mariana, and yeah, basically they came around and they helped us organize this new wood, the stuff which is on the top here. And I wanted to record a little bit so I could introduce them to the channel, but unfortunately, the mic wasn't plugged in. So I've got video of them helping us with it, but unfortunately I have absolutely no audio. Sorry guys, but we are going to see you guys on Monday, and I think we're going to do a little bit of recording then. So we'll see you then. So the plan is we're going to take the incubated eggs and we're going to put them underneath Mama Hen so that she also brings those to term. And the 2 baby chicks that have currently hatched that are sitting underneath the hot plate, we're going to try and see if there's a way that we can put them underneath and mix them in with Mama Hen's chicks. I believe some people say that if you take all the chicks away from the mother hen and separate them so she can see them, when you take away the separation and they all come running back to her, she's kind of okay with that. It sort of confuses her. Otherwise, if we just try putting little baby chicks in, she might, you know, attack and kill them. So yeah, there's a few things that we can try. But for now, I think the important thing is to get this box onto the ground so that these chicks don't start walking around and fall off here and just kill themselves. I'm going to put this towel over the nesting box, and hopefully that way it kind of relaxes her a bit more. So you got that side?
Yep.
Okay. Oh wait, I'm caught. There we go. Yep. Let me try grabbing it from here. It's a great idea to use a white towel for this.
No, that's the pet towel.
Oh, is this the pet towel? Okay.
It's just because it's just been washed that it looks so nice.
So now Mama Hen is on the ground and her little baby chicks can leave the nest. We're not going to have to worry about not being able to get back up or falling down from a height. So, job done. Success.
And she's water.
She was actually very well behaved. She's usually very vicious if you try coming anywhere close to her babies, which is understandable. Way to go, Mama Hen. Good job. I don't know if anyone's ever met the world's best cat before, but there it is. The world's best cat ever. I know you might think that you have a better cat than this, but I'm afraid you're all wrong. This is the best cat that ever lived. This is Boyki. Boyki, Boyki. And he's having a private moment, so please excuse him. So Gina's made a nice pile of wood here from the really wet stuff. And she's just chopping up our old swimming pool to use as a top, just to go over the top. Now, I know you might be thinking this is a huge waste of a swimming pool, but when we went to check it the other day, a mouse had bitten holes right through it. So unfortunately, it won't work as a pool anymore. Why are you so naughty? Why are you so naughty? So Gina's idea of using the side of a pool seems to have worked well. I think it should keep the rest of this a bit dry, help it dry out and have good airflow.